So we are super excited to be including STEM Days now as part of the offerings here at AWT. This is funded by STEM to Career dollars that we receive from the state of Ohio.
Nice job. Good. All right, ready for the next one? All right.
My favorite part was probably building the catapults and firing them.
One, two, three. Oh, not too bad, not too bad. Reload, reload. At our STEM days here at AWT, we try to introduce the children to more than just STEM projects. We try to tie in STEM with manufacturing. Here at AWT, we have a whole room dedicated to CNC machines, from the automated to the manual ones, that may not interest every student, but with the integration of the STEM projects, they find that love of, hey, I'm really good working with my hands. I know how to put things together. This comes real easy to me. What could I do with this? Now, they may not be thinking that far in the future, but this is something to give them just another avenue to think, this is something that I'm good at, maybe I want to pursue it. Students have the opportunity to see how STEM relates to the outside world and what they can do as a career moving forward.
It's a great program. They have great facilities here, great resources. Both my kids really enjoy doing sciencey type things. In fact, we subscribe to like monthly Tinker Crates and things like that. So this is almost like a launching pad into more of that, and they get a lot more in-depth experience and get to actually see things going on in real life that we just won't be able to do at home.
We enjoy making these students that come in into engineers solving problems. So we hope that you can continue to support us and bring your children in. Thank you.